Hello, good afternoon. Today is February the 16th, 2021, and I am here in my rental house, the one that I wanted to sell. I'm gonna give you a short update of what I have been doing here. We landscaped this here a little bit. Landscape that, and I've been painting the garage. I'm gonna show it to you. So this garage was, if you can see that the bricks out there, the garage was a brick also, but it's old brick. It doesn't even, the brick was old brick, so I painted it with, let me turn the lights on here. So I painted the walls with gray, light gray. So this is the door here. That's the front, the garage door. This is a door going inside the house, and so I painted that with this color, light gray. Yeah, so light gray over there. That's light gray all over. Yes. And the ceiling, I painted the ceiling too with the very light. It's a ceiling paint, and it looks way a lot better. Took us a while to because we have to scrape the ceiling and put a primer and the paint, but it looks good. And so my next project would be, I have a paint here, I'm gonna show you. So I have a concrete paint right here, interior, exterior garage, concrete and garage self priming, 1 part epoxy. Yeah, so the color is supposed to be some kind of red, and there's a 5-gallon bucket there, and I am gonna clean this garage, and I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint this garage floor. I hear that it would really look good for if you paint it like a 3 coats. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we are getting close. So after I paint this, I would paint the whole house outside. And my neighbor already came and say, yeah, I want to buy your house, but we'll see. This is yeah. So I'm going to pressure wash this garage floor, and I'm going to pressure wash and start to paint. Alright, and you have a blessed day. Take care of yourself, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.